Let's get ready for a fun drawing adventure. Sit comfortably, hold your pencil gently, and take a deep breath. Today, we are going to draw a very cute and friendly panda together. Take your time, go slowly, and enjoy every little line you draw. Now, let's begin by drawing a big, round head. Make a nice, smooth circle. Not too perfect, just soft and gentle, like a fluffy cloud. This will be the panda's face, so make it big enough to fit all the cute details later. Keep your hands steady and enjoy the movement of your pencil as it goes around to complete the circle. Wonderful job starting your panda. Now, let's add the panda's right ear. Look at the top right side of the head and draw a small round shape that looks like a little bump sitting on the head. Make it soft and rounded. Once you are happy with the shape, we are going to color it in. Carefully fill the entire ear with black color. Take your time coloring inside the lines and make it nice and bold. This ear is going to make your panda look extra adorable. Great work so far. Next, let's draw the panda's left ear. On the top left side of the head, draw another small round bump, just like the one you made before. Try to make both ears look similar, like twins sitting on the head. Once you finish the shape, fill this ear with black color as well. Color it slowly and evenly so it looks smooth and solid. Now your panda has two cute black ears sitting proudly on its head. Now we will draw the panda's right eye. Inside the face, draw a big oval shape on the right side. This eye should be large and soft looking. Inside the oval, leave a small white circle to make it look shiny and alive. Then color the rest of the eye black. This will give your panda a sweet and friendly expression. Take your time and enjoy making the eye sparkle. Let's draw the panda's left eye now. On the other side of the face, draw another big oval shape, just like the first one. Try to keep both eyes balanced and at the same level. Add a small white spot inside again and color the rest black. Now your panda has two big shiny eyes that look bright and happy. You are doing an amazing job.
Now it's time to draw the nose and mouth. In the middle of the face, draw a small oval or triangle shape for the nose. Color it black. Then, just below the nose, draw a cute little mouth. Make a small curved line going down, and then add a tiny open shape so it looks like the panda is smiling with its tongue showing. You can color the tongue lightly. Your panda is starting to look very cheerful. Let's move on to the body. Under the head, draw a big oval shape for the panda's body. Make it wide and soft, like a pillow. Connect it nicely to the head so it looks like one whole character. This body will be the panda's tummy area, so make sure it is big enough to look cuddly and round. Great job building the panda shape. Now we will paint the chest area in black. Look at the area around the body's sides and upper part near the arms, and carefully color those parts in black while leaving the center tummy area white. Take your time to stay inside the lines. This contrast will make your panda look just like a real one. You are doing very well. Let's draw the left arm. On the left side of the body, draw a rounded arm that hangs down gently. Make it look soft and a little chubby. Once you finish the shape, color the entire arm in black. Fill it in slowly so it looks smooth and bold. Now your panda has one cute arm. Now draw the right arm. On the other side, draw another rounded arm, similar to the first one. Keep it soft and simple. Once done, color this arm black as well. Make sure both arms look balanced. Now your panda has two adorable arms ready to give a hug. Next, let's draw the right leg. At the bottom of the body, draw a small oval or rounded shape for the leg. Keep it short and cute. Once you finish, color the leg in black. Take your time and enjoy the coloring. Your panda is standing nicely now. Now draw the left leg. On the other side, add another small rounded shape, just like the first leg. Try to keep both legs similar in size. Then color it black carefully. Now your panda has two little feet and looks ready to walk around happily. Finally, let's add the cheeks. On both sides of the face, draw soft, round circles. Then color them with a gentle pink color. These rosy cheeks will make your panda look extra cute and friendly. Take your time blending the color softly.
Now your panda is complete and looks absolutely adorable. And now for a little surprise. Stay very still and keep looking at your drawing. In just a moment, your panda is going to come to life. Imagine its eyes blinking, its little body wiggling, and its tiny feet bouncing happily. Get ready to see your panda move and smile just like a real animated friend. Wonderful work today. You created something truly special.
If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye bye, little artists. See you next time.